Pig and Cat. Moral story. Once upon a time, in a city, there was a playful pig and curious cat. The pig loved rolling in the mud and playing in the sun, while the cat enjoyed chasing butterfly and exploring the field. One day, cat noticed the pig feeling sad. When the cat asked why, the pig explained that the other animals made fun of him for being messy and dirty. The cat listened attentively and then came up with a plan. The cat invited the pig to join her in a game of chasing butterfly. The pig hesitated at first, worried about getting dirty. But the cat reassured him that having fun was more important than appearance. As they played together, the pig forgot all about his worries and laughed with joy. The cat showed the pig that true friends accept each other for who they are, regardless of outward appearance. The moral of the story is true friendship is based on understanding.